Oh yes! We are ready to start chaos. We are ready to have chaos. But welcome back. Hello, and my name is MindofMavis, and so we are here as a young explorer in training. I'm actually on my week-long trip right now, when this video is posting. So, hi, future Mavis. I hope you're having a really good time. So, we are back here with the Untitled Goose game with our Goose Goose, and we are trying to complete all of the to-do lists as well. 6 minutes left. Oof. Oof, 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 oof. Okay. We need to get thrown over the fence. I've actually figured out how we're going to do that. So, we need to, we still have a chance of completing it in just 6 minutes. We kind of do. Oh yeah, and make sure to drop down that like and subscribe, please. I feel like we kind of still have a chance if we go really fast, but oh, there's the, oh, that's really far away. Go ahead, run this way. Oh, this way. And what we need to do, I'm gonna get thrown over the fence, because I figured out how we're gonna do it. Grab it and pull it. Come on. Okay, so we're gonna pull it across. Wait, how do we get it over? Sail the tour boat under the bridge. Perform at the pub wearing a ribbon. Okay. Oh, I see. So, yes. Okay, we have a chance. 5 minutes, a little too fast. Cabbage picnic's gonna take like a good 5 minutes. So I would just give up on that. You could always try again in like a live streamers. How do we do this? Can I move it upwards? Like that? No! Come on. Move it up. No. Up. Oh, yeah. No! Come on. Up. Up and down. Up and down. Yes. Here we go. Flip it over. Here we go. Come on over here. Come on over here, neighbor. Okay. Okay, yeah, grab the box. Yes. Throw me. Whoa! That's actually really funny. Okay. Well, now we need to dress up the oh. Okay, yeah, there's no way we're gonna be able to do that. So we can go ahead and collect all of the flowers. So, squirrel. Okay, we need to perform at the pub wearing a ribbon. This shouldn't be too hard. We can pull this out, because I'm not focused on, even though you do get a really awesome crown if you finish all of that in just that little amount of time. You actually get an hour. So if we did like an hour, like, I don't know, just like an hour-long video, that would actually be quite cool. We need to move this back over here, put it into the fountain. Here, there we go. I'll go ahead and call her over. Yes. Oh, no, don't see it, Don't see it over there. Okay, no, don't throw it over. Just give me the ribbon. Just give me the ribbon. Okay. Thank you. Now, I need to go this way. Yep, throw it over the fence. Now I need to go this way and then perform at the pub. But I don't know if you can get to the pub in that direction. Going that direction, I mean. I think you have to go that way. No, I don't think you have. Oh, I see. Wait, wait, hold on a minute. No way, I can put a coin in here. Wow, adorable. That should be an achievement or to check off that, like, on the to-do list. Okay, we need to perform at the pub wearing the ribbon. Okay, I need to call him over here. Come on. Okay, I don't know how this is gonna work. Okay. We can't let him see us. That's the problem. Have him come over here. Nope. Oh, we made it. That was scary. Okay. We need to perform at the pub wearing this. Okay. Perform at the pub wearing the ribbon. Okay. Okay, hello? Yes, yes, yes. Yes, yes. Thank you. Perform at the pub wearing a wibbon. Yes, a wibbon. A wibbon. Okay. Oh, the church bells rang. No. I would have to reset to give this a go. The church bells rang. Hey. No. No. I don't want the lady. Okay, yeah, you go over there so I can take this flower over to the basket. Yay, this is so exciting. We can take this flower over to the basket. We have to cause a lot of pub craziness too. Okay, so we got the daisy in there. I know where the rose is, I know where the lily is, and I know the chrysanthemum is. So that's just gonna be really easy. So it's not gonna be too hard. Come on, over here. Over here. Yes. Hey. Come on. No. No. Yes. Okay. So we need to for the pub tip, we need to steal the old man's woolen hat, sail the toy, and under the bridge. Okay. Sail the toy boat. Okay. We need to go this way. Come on. If I go this way. Come on. Come on. No! 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 Okay. Oh, see, she still sees me. Nope. Yes! Oh, we did it. Okay, I'm sorry I was so silent there. There we go. Now she's gonna go turn off the water and we can run. We need to sail the toy boat. Oh, he's gonna see me if I go this way. If I go down this way, it'll be easier. Okay, okay. Everything aside, everything aside. We need to call this guy over. Yes, you come over here. If I run this way. Okay, I need to sail the toy boat under the bridge. We can go ahead and do that. There we go. I think we have to go like down here and then. Does that work? Is that the bridge? Is it in the miniature village? Is that what the thing? Can I like item hop or something? Okay, I start to, but it's just like okay, I start to a little bit. What if I go like this? Can I item hop like this? Okay, yeah, that's fine. I don't need to, but that didn't work. How am I supposed to do that? Okay. Let's go ahead and steal the old man's woolen hats somehow. How are we gonna? Oh no, are we back at the we're back at the garden. Okay. So we need to go like this way. Okay, we still have the toy boat. I never checked over here. Is there anything over here? Oh, something cool. Can I like go in here or something? Can I item hop over here? No, I can't. Let me go ahead, turn this on for the gardener. Actually, you know what? I can just put that there. So we need to sail the toy boat under the bridge. I don't know what bridge that is. We need to sail the old man's woolen hat. Okay. Cabbage. Okay, we need his flower. We can do the flower challenge. Well, not the flower challenge, but the flower. The flower quest next. The flower to-do list item next. I'm gonna go this way, and can I get into the... Darn! So, I have to take my flower this way, unfortunately. Hold on. You better not want my flower. Okay, good. I'm like, you're not getting my flower, if you like it or not. So I have to go this way, and I know where the chrysanthemum is. I know how to get the rose. You have to have the lady prune the prize rose, and then you have to take the clipping. I thought about that when I was laying down doing nothing at night. When I was trying to go to sleep, but then I just thought about it, thinking about videos and all of our adventures. I thought about it, and I'm like, that's because you can pick it up, so I'm like, you would have to take that. And on here, you need a rose for the chrysanthemum. So we have a daisy. This is the tulip. Let me put it in here. There we go. There we go. What was that? Okay, we got the tulip. Where would a lily be? A lily, and then we need a rose and a chrysanthemum. Where would a lily be? I wonder. It's probably gonna be, like, somewhere just like sitting there. Like, I don't know where else it would be. Man, this is actually so hard to get him over here. Okay, if I stay out of his view, then I can get in here. So if I need to steal the old man's woolen hat. Here. Put it down. Let me grab it. Let me grab your hat. Okay, he doesn't bend down. Here. Yes. Here we go. How do we get him to... How do we take his hat? We still haven't made the old man fall on his bum. Okay, so maybe that's a sign. But we can just go ahead and focus on the chrysanthemum for right now. I just don't know where the tulip would be. Like, where would the tulip be? Maybe it's at the beginning of the game. Like, well, why did I do that? Maybe it's at the beginning of the game, like where you start. I bet you this is where you're supposed to take the toy boat. I need hold on. No way. So satisfying. Oh, and in the last video I realized that I thought I couldn't pull this up, but I can. So satisfying. Awesome. Okay. Can I oh my gosh. Okay, I could pull that up too. Okay. This is the chrysanthemum. I know this isn't a lily. So, this is the chrysanthemum we were talking about. But I still don't know where the tulip would be. Like, that's just like it's a little antagonizing. Yes. Oh, cute. Let me go in here. Yeah, I'll have to, like, we have to look around. Maybe we'll just have, like, an extra video where I just look around for the tulip. Come on, come on. And I might even start a Lost Ember series. Let me know what you guys think about this. Let me know what you think about that if you've even made it this far. And if you have, you are a good person. But if you haven't, shame on you. But this is a chrysanthemum. I still need to grab the rose. There we go. Hold on. Yes. I still need... Where would that lily be? Okay. I need to take a good look around. Maybe it's in here. She has a lot of flowers. Like, do I need to take it somehow? Give me this. I bet you I need to take it somehow. So I'm just gonna run up here. But this is so fun. Okay, what? No! Oh, I forgot. Okay, let me pick this. Then let me pull this. No. Okay. I'm gonna pick it this. So that she grabs her clippers. Oh yeah, I need to be over there. I forgot. Make someone prune the prize rose. This is gonna be a hard one. Because I'm gonna have to take it. You better be sorry. Because I'm gonna have to take it. He has his tea time. Gosh darn it. Is she gonna do anything with that cardboard box? Like, is she's gonna put it in, like... No, she's just gonna leave it. Because it's not hers. Come on, grab your newspaper. Here we go. Run. Whew. Okay. No, I just gonna keep running. And then if you keep going the other way, then you'll make it to the... I call it the wishing well. Oh. Okay, I'm like, what is that? You have to run this way, and then it'll be like the wishing well area. This is like side quest area where you can go to a bunch of different places. Hold on. Boop. Did it work? Yay! Okay, I still don't know where Lily is, unfortunately. But I think we can open it from this side. Yeah. Oh, this opens new opportunities. No way. What? What? We found a blue ribbon. Wow. How do I put it on? Gardener? Do I have to have a gardener put it on for me? Gardener. Can you do something? Do something for me? Hey! Grab this for me. Put this on. No? Okay. I'm probably gonna have to take it to the lady. Ah! No way! I had the best idea in the world. I had the best idea. Just sit down and do your work. Why are you doing that? Whoop, boop, boop, boop. Whoop. Nope. Yes! Okay. I'm gonna hide his hat in here. Okay. And then he's gonna put a sun hat on, and you guys know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna steal a sun hat too, so he's gonna be bold. Put your sun hat on. Come on. And then I'm gonna take it from him and make him go bold. There we go. Go do your work again. I'm gonna grab a pumpkin. I'm gonna mess him up. I'm gonna move some cabbages. Move them everywhere. Get messing with all of them. Yeah, I don't know however in the world am I gonna have a cabbage picnic. Oh no, do I have to put them all in there? Hey, don't be mean. I gotta grab the pumpkins and mess them up. There we go. Grab his gardening shovel. Hide in here. No, actually, give him his gardening shovel because I need, this is, okay, I need him to, I want him to bend over so I can steal his hat. I kind of did too much damage. I did a little too much damage on him because now he's gonna be working on fixing his entire garden. But, yeah, that's kind of, oh, what happened? I want to try out some computer controls. Oh. That. Hold on. I don't even know how I would do this. Hello? Okay, yeah, that's. I'm so glad I have a controller. Oh no! Oh my gosh, are you kidding me? There's a secret entrance? That's amazing. Just sit do your garden work. That's amazing. I actually, oh my god, I just had the best idea ever. You guys will see it on the thumbnail. Run. Yep. No! Are you kidding? I got stuck on the side. Okay. I know what I'm going to do now for our thumbnail because I know this is going to be absolutely amazing. Okay, are you guys ready for this? Perfect. Oh my god, that's amazing. Okay. What's the gardener doing now? Okay, I figured out that I can do that and take his hat. So if you guys like this video, make sure to subscribe because I had such a fun time making it, and I won't even be in the state. I won't even be in the same state that I am in now. Like 3 days from now. 2 days from now. Actually, yes, 2 days from now. Crazy, right? And this video will be posting while I'm out of state. So I'm so excited to see you then, but see you then. Make sure to subscribe. Bye, guys.